Farmers, the backbone of the nation, work hard and sweat in fields to cultivate the crops. Farmers are one of the most important part of our society, and farming is a noble profession. Farmers have the responsibility to feed the growing population of the nation. Now, they have to produce more per acre. 60% of Indian population depends on agriculture. Paddy is the major crop grown in North India by farmers, which is considered to be one of the most essential crops. Farmers face a lot of trouble with deformity of the crops due to pest BPH and WBPH, creating hopper burns and eventually damaging the crop. Hoppers are provoked by high temperature and humidity. We at Coromandel understood that buprofezin plus acephate, if mixed right, it would allow the farmers to eliminate BPH and WBPH and will help farmers to protect the crop. Hence, Coromandel team has come up with this unique combination called Perana to save the farmers from this epidemic pest. Perana, the one-stop solution from BPH and WBPH. The product resolves the issue by controlling pest in paddy and cotton crops. The farmer would directly need to spray it on noticing nymphs. Nymphal stages are more susceptible to Perana spray. Best control can be obtained when the spray are done as early as possible, controlling the pests and thus avoiding the crops to catch, better known as hopper burns. It will control the coming of pest and will save labor efforts and water cost. The real success behind Perana goes to North Zone team, which religiously worked day and night to establish this product as a big hit in the first year. Brainstorming by our proficient sales and marketing team to create a brilliant game plan helped Perana to achieve its widespread in the market. Our success mantra was one team, one dream. The idea of 100 MT Perana conceptualized, conceived and delivered by the North team under the leadership of Mr. Satish Tiwari, General Manager North, who took the initiative and convinced management for this mission. Thanks to the President, COO and Head Sales who had given the go-ahead and support for this project. The North team launched the Perana at Annual Dealers Conference at Shimla in April 2016. 250 dealers witnessed the digital launch and booked 50 MT on the spot under the Perana launch chair scheme. Took steps in terms of product promotion activities. Perana launching at retailers meeting in Elnabad, Moga, Malerkotla and Dabwali. Dealer display contest DDC for shop branding. Perana launch at Mega Farmers meeting. Organized farmers meeting. Implementation of Growmore Suraksha safety kit used in spray. Participation of Coromandel in agricultural fairs to promote Perana. Branding of vehicles and publicity by balloons and keychains carry bags. The winners of the display contest got branded wall clocks. Mass media coverage. And also established Perana booking scheme for farmers' needs. All these innovative promotion campaigns resulted in 100 MT Perana sales in North. Perana became the undisputed leader in BPH segment and a big brand. North has inspired other zones to replicate the same success in Perana. The team celebrated the success at the Jammu plant.
में ऊपर की बीमारी की शिकायत थी, उसमें मैंने प्रेरणा का उपयोग किया, सबसे बढ़िया फायदेमंद हुई।
मैं पराना दी स्प्रे की, स्प्रे करने तो बाद 14-15 दिन किसी तरह का हॉपर नहीं आया।
With the great success of Perana, the team has planned to launch 2 new products named Prospel and Lancia to create another landmark of success. In our endeavor to be a complete plant protection solutions company, we have started giving new products in markets which suit the need of the farmers. Coromandel's widest range of fertilizers, special nutrient, organic and crop protection chemicals establish themselves as a giant umbrella that can fulfill needs of farmers and contribute significantly towards the GDP and agricultural growth of the country. Coromandel, मेरा ग्रोमोर, सुरक्षा हमेशा मेरे साथ. ग्रोमोर.
बंदे हैं हम उसके, हम पे किसका जोर. उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर.
तुम्हें तब तक कोई नहीं हरा सकता जब तक तुम अपने आप से न हार जाओ.
पिराना है ये, पिराना.